Hello everyone, my name is Galen Slash, and today we're back for a brand new video. In today's video, we're back on Roblox, and we're playing. Why is it so loud? Okay, today we're playing. I forgot the name. Oh crap. Well, name game. Which is the name? Natural disaster. Yeah. I haven't played this game in a while, so yeah, this would be pretty cool experience. Cause like the last time, take fall damage. That's right. The last time I played this game, I was about very young. Back when I wasn't even planning on doing YouTube anytime soon. Deadly. Oh, you've got it. Wow. 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 Yeah. It's not like we're going through one of those. Yeah, okay. Now I know that why there was controversy. Ugh. Why? Why would you do this? Everyone just going. No! So I either have a chance of dying or not dying. Ugh, it's contaminated. Ah! No, stay away, Mrs. Pink Girl. I think she's trying to infect us. Ugh. Oh, stop! Don't you know the aim of the game? Stay away from people. Ooh! I almost walked right into that. Alright, so who's gonna die first? Cause it ain't gonna be me. No? No one? Just get away. I mean, I can't even go inside the house. Where you should always be, by the way. Woo! I survived! Woo! Alright, what's the next round? Okay, yeah, I survived. So, what's the next challenge? I have to say, they can't. You can take fall damage! What? I just realized something. That guy in the chat said next map is Rainbow Ride. Unless he had a Game Pass. I don't think there even is a Game Pass for that. Well, what's the virus one again? I don't want to be near these crowds. Ugh! Mrs. Pink, you're the one who looks like you're infected the most. Even if it's it's a tsunami, I think. That's how I pronounce tsunami. Because some people say it's tsunami, but wait, would this be safe to be? No, I don't think it would. So if something bad happens, oh, yeah! Oh crap! How am I supposed to do this? There's no shelter on this map. Wait, are those meteorites? What the? Ah! No, I'm not. My last words is subscribe and hit that notification bell. Those are my last words and last wishes. I don't know the map needs. It's so blurry I can't even spectate. Alright, I'm hopefully put a cut right here, so... Or speedrun it, I don't know. So, I guess I'll see you soon, hopefully. Okay, what do I do? Alright, we're back. So, I guess, like, not... Oh my god, look at that Ferris wheel. Even if I did survive that fall, I would have been crushed. How's that person doing that? Did I have a game pass or something? See, nope. Oh, I guess I'll never know. How is this person? How? This person is a has future vision. I couldn't talk right. Mega Mansion. Well, it is Manic Mansion. Oh, welfare. Okay, yeah, it's probably the safest option to find a basement. Wait, what if I need the Tsukai shelter? I just stay near the stairs, but there's no stairs to the basement. I don't even have a basement. Alright, I'll just wait. I'll just wait it out. Okay, next round is probably gonna be modest headquarters. I heard unless someone's eating or there's a ticking time bomb. Yeah, somewhere nearby. Oh, cool. Tsunami again. Why'd I have to jump off the balcony? This is why you should never jump off the balcony in Roblox games, okay? You should never jump off any balcony, actually. Unless you have big bones, and strong bones, and yeah. Aha! The highest point of shelter. Ah! Hey, stop! Hey, come on, the YouTubers first. No fans first, but I don't even. If you're not a fan, then you don't go first. Stop! Stop pushing! Oh wait, I'm an idiot! Move! What the? How did someone get up there? Oh god! Something's happening! Maybe there's a way to the roof from here? No? Whoa! No! Woo! Why are you standing in there? Oh wait, this entire house is tilting. Okay, so welcome to my attic. Yeah, it's house tour. See all these people that they're gonna be wrecked. They're gonna go oof. They're gonna go bye bye because they're not inside the attic. But I, for one, am inside the attic. So this is an empty room. I didn't even get to finish my tour. Well, hey, at least I survived. It would be horrible if I died. Then I have to do another cut, and I don't like editing. Power up. Oh, come on! Okay, so... Okay, yep. This man has future vision. This man has a future voisin, yeah, voisin. Modest? This is Roblox headquarters, not Modest headquarters. Okay. Ow. Oh, someone's stuck. And they're probably gonna die. What? Oh. Okay, I will stay right here. Oh my. Okay, I'll stay right here in the middle. If I need to get to low ground, I'll go to low ground. If I need to get high ground, it's perfect. I'm a genie. I'll grant you 3 wishes, or I'll grant myself 3. Wait, what? That won't come that close by, right? I'll probably try to hide on the ground because like the roof could collapse. If this was real life, what would you do? Ah! Answer in the comments below. But this place ain't safe no more. Run! But out here isn't safe either. It's more susceptible. I just learned that word today. No, I didn't. No. Uh-oh, that ain't good. No. Yeah, I don't like that. But hey, it seems like it's not going to hit me, so I should be good. I'm expecting one to hit me right now, but like I said, ain't gonna hit me. Wait, maybe if I get like closer to the volcano. Oh! Ah! Me! Ooh! Ooh! How am I surviving this? Now let me get even closer. How am I not dead? Oh, everyone in there is dead. How? Literally, I'm the... Bro. How am I not dead? Well, I just come too close. Bro, I'm the... I can just stay here and I'm just good. You know what? I'm gonna take a screenshot of this. What? My screenshot didn't even load. Like, come on. How did I not die? I was right in front of volcano. Oh, Manic Mansion. Volcano. I was right in. Uh-oh, that does not look too good. Wait, what even is that? Should I get a close? You know, this helped me last time. I just will stay under here. Okay, yeah, inside I go. I think I need to get lower ground. What? Shelter? Come on, sir. I see your faces. Come on, I know people love to hide secret faces in their house. Come on. What do I do? What do I do? There's no basement. What the? Maybe I can. Maybe I should just go relax. Come on. Flash flood! Oh, come on. Is it? It's not actually flooding. Guys, we're safe. Look. They lied, see? Okay, I think that water is rising. See? This person is safe, but they look on. Okay, yeah, it's time to get out of here. Why did I think this was a good idea? I can't swim. I think that's a bad time to mention that, but I can't swim. What's... Attic! Hurry. It's still coming. Why did I think staying out there was a good idea? Well, say goodbye to the Manic Mansion. How did I... Oh my god, if I was down there for just like a couple more seconds long, I'd probably be... Oofed! Obliterated! Exploded! How do you explode from a flood? Roblox, fix your logic! A Manic Mansion again? This must be a new map, but what the? I don't want to add friendly ones. You know what? I might start like a game show. That'd be cool. Like that ever happened. Alright, I should probably get... Whoa! If I fell all the way down there, who knows? I might have been... Yeah, obliterated. How do you explode? How do you explode from anything? I can understand the volcano, but like... Why explode from the... Fire? There's no fire. These guys are just imbecile fools. See, look. These people are just taking fall damage. Even if there was a fire, how would it even start? I'm safe. Oh. Wow, I am actually safe. I don't even need to turn around. I just know I'm safe. Oh, someone having a barbecue? Oh, very intriguing. Smells like it's getting closer. Oh, maybe they're cooking steak. I love steak. But It doesn't smell like a barbecue. It smells like burnt wood. Oh. Yeah, that probably ain't good. But hey, if, I would say this ain't too hot, but it is. So, I mean, when I said this ain't too hot, it means it's not too good. This ain't too good. Oh. Whew. Luckily I know. Oh my god, it's spreading! What? How does concrete catch fire? I guess the same way a house randomly catches fire when there's nothing, not even a stop. Oh, I thought I was the one who died there. Whew. Jeez Louise. That was a... Are we... But is there still gonna be like a barbecue? Guys, you think there's gonna be a barbecue? If so, what would you want in your barbecue? Leave it in your comments below. Stop! Get out of my prison panic. First, manic. Wait, what? Some people spawn on the inside. They must be really bad criminals. Ooh, that guy almost died. So, what now? I guess I get to explore the map because I've never seen this one before. I haven't played this game in years. Whoa! What the? Ah! My eyes! What? I'm innocent! I promise I didn't steal the gummy bears from the gummy bear store. Wait! No, this ain't my normal outfit. I gotta get out of here. Help! Oh no! What if the disaster is get out of any cell? Yes! Thank you! Oh my god. That was terrifying. What did I do? What did I even... Oh! 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 At least I got out of the prison before they, you know... Ow! Exploded my face off of the volcano. I better go outside and check if it's actually a volcano. Oh, I don't remember there a red block being there. Huh. Let's get closer and closer. What's that? Huh. Guacamole and cheese. Ow! Okay. Ooh. I'll stand right here. Hey, Mr. Volcano. I would appreciate if you didn't explode this entire prison. Ah! I'm climbing a volcano. I'm a risker for the biscuit. Whoa. I definitely don't want to fall. Ah! What comedic timing. I said, I sure I don't fall in there, and then I die, and then I fall in there. How comedic timing is that? Yeah, burn, prison, burn! That's what you get for wrongfully arresting me. This video is probably way over 20 minutes, but hey, I'm gonna keep on playing. Oh, so that's the aftermath. What did you... Oh. I sure hope no one pushes me in. Well then, bye! Oh, come on! Please teleport me there. Am I being teleported there? Are you kidding me? Let's talk about today's sponsor of this video. It's glasses.co. You see these extra cool super duper glasses? Yeah. Go buy now at link in the description. Don't actually buy now. You know, I'm gonna see how many times I have to jump off to here To tsunami. Man, I wish I could be like, whoop, pang, and click